Namaste. Let's do some exercise. Ready? I will give the instructions and you'll have to follow. Okay? Very simple instructions. Don't worry. Upright your left hand. Yes, left hand. Left hand up, down. Right hand up, down. Left hand up, down. Right hand on the sides. Yes. Down. Left hand on the side. Down. Both hands up. Down. Done. So I gave these instructions to you in English language and you understood. And you followed as well. What if you give these instructions to your brothers, sisters, your siblings, your cousin, your friends? Will they understand and follow? Yes, if they know English well, they will definitely. Or you might them, you may force them to follow. What if you give these instructions to your parents? Will they follow? They'll understand and follow. Yes, mostly. What if you give this instruction someone from Russia who knows only Russian, no other language, or someone from Japan who knows only Japanese, or someone from Korea who knows only Korean, or someone from Africa who knows only Swahili? They don't know English or any other languages, and if you try to give these instructions to them in English, will they understand and follow? No, right? They won't understand the language because now it's a language barrier. You know only English or maybe other languages as well, but you don't know their languages and they don't know your languages. So how do you communicate? How do you communicate in that case? So that is one way maybe, is to hire a translator who knows both the languages and they will interpret your languages between you two. And also you can use some sort of code languages like and there is a possibility they'll understand. You'll have to encode that in a way, correct? You'll have to code that, but somehow you need to find a way, you need to find an interpretation, a translation in terms of your thoughts, your instructions into a way so they do understand. Now the problem is the same is the case between us and computers. Computers can do a lot of things. We can make them do a lot of things. Hundreds and thousands of tasks which we feel irritated doing so. But computers can do them without any complaints. But the language is the problem. We know only maybe our languages, be it English, Hindi, Gujarati, Kannada, Japanese, Korean, French, German or Swedish. But we don't know the computer's language, which is 1-0 binary language. We cannot talk in that way. We cannot talk 1-1-1-1-0-0-1-0-1-0. That doesn't make sense, right? Neither to us nor to the computers sometimes. It won't be a meaningful instruction for them then. So now, what to do? Then comes the coding or programming. So there are multiple intermediate languages which we can use to instruct computers. And if we know them, we can make computers and digital devices work for us. So we need to learn coding, programming. It is not just about computers, even robots. Robots only know binary language. And so we'll have to know how to code robots, the program robots, so they can do whatever things we want them to do. Fine. So that's how, or that's why we need to learn coding or programming. Is that clear? So we'll start learning coding and programming in the next session. Bye-bye.